What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the battery drain test for the LG G7, the G8, the V40, and the V50. I just charged them all 100%, so let's go ahead and boot these guys up. And let's go ahead and get started here. So my guess would be maybe the G8 first, then the V50, the G7, then the V40. But let's go ahead and turn everything up, and we'll do it just like this right here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start, and let's exit it out, and we're gonna just do a YouTube playlist, an hour here. Go ahead and do it like that. Alright, guys, so we're approaching an hour right now for YouTube, and pretty interesting. So we've got the V50 in the lead right now at 94%, with the the G8 is actually still at 94% as well, and then we have the V60 or the V40 at 87%, and the G7 is actually losing right now at 81%. Now these both got software updates, security patches, or whatever to improve the system stability. So last time the G7 was winning, but now the V40 is actually doing really great now. So we're going to go after this hits an hour, and let's go ahead and go open up a game, and let's go ahead and just let that run here. So we'll do Jetpack or Subway Surfer, and we'll go ahead and let this run. Alright, guys, we're approaching the 3-hour mark, so let's go ahead and check. I just let this run for 2 hours, so we're at 75% on the V50, 76% on the G8, and we're at 64% on the V40, and we're at 45% on the G7 here. So you can see the G7 is taking a big hit here, actually, very surprising. Alright, for the next application, let's just go ahead and open some social media. So we'll just open Instagram and just go ahead and let that play. Alright, guys, we're at the 5-hour mark, 5 hours and 3 minutes, and we're at 17% on the G7, and we're also at 36% on the V40, 62% on the G8, and 60% on the V50. So let's go ahead and just open a heavier game here, Call of Duty Mobile here, and let's see how that performs. Alright, guys, we're at 6 hours and 21 minutes, and as you can see, the G7, you probably can't even see because it's off, but it's at 2%, pretty much done here. So that was about right, 6 hours for that phone. And on the, which one is this, V50, we're at 46%, G8 49%, V40 21%. Alright, guys, just to wrap this up, we're just gonna run Temple Run and just end it right here. So we'll come back and see when these phones get to around 10 to 5%. Alright, guys, so the V40 is about to give up. It's at almost 5%, 6% here with 7 hours and 20 minutes, which is pretty good. So this will definitely get you around 7 hours and 30 minutes of battery life, no problem. Let's see, for the V50 we're at 34, and the G8 we're at 36, and we'll go ahead and end this again with a YouTube playlist here, and then we'll come back once they get to 10%. Alright, guys, so we're around that 10% mark. So as you can see, 8 hours and 30 minutes, pretty good for the V50 and G8. That was the screen on time that I was getting, so pretty good for all these phones. Definitely could last a day, no problem here. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.